In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT as your personal call-to-action copywriting assistant to help you generate high-converting copy for any platform. First, I'll open my browser and head over to the ChatGPT homepage. I've already prepared a specialized prompt in a notepad file to establish the persona and rules for my AI assistant. I'll go ahead and copy this initial prompt, which explains that I am a content creator named Josh and sets the standard for clear, action-driven copy. I'll paste that into the message box and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT acknowledges the instructions and even outlines the principles it will use moving forward, such as avoiding generic phrases and tailoring the tone to my specific audience of professionals and entrepreneurs. Now that the system is trained, I'll go back to my notes to grab a specific task. I want 10 call-to-action options for a landing page promoting a free email course on content creation. I'll paste this request into the chat and watch it generate the results. I'm scrolling through these now, and you can see how it categorizes them into different psychological triggers like benefit-focused, curiosity-driven, and urgency-based options. Next, I want to see how it handles a paid offer. I'll go back to my notepad and copy a prompt for an email promoting a freelance writing course. I'm asking for 8 options that feel natural and conversational rather than salesy. I'll paste this into the chat, and almost instantly, I get a variety of direct and soft approaches that fit the $197 price point perfectly. Moving on to social media, I'll copy another prompt designed for punchy, short CTAs for a personal branding webinar. I'll paste that in, and you can see it provides excitement-building and urgency-driven lines that are brief enough for an Instagram caption or a LinkedIn post. Finally, I want some long-term tools, so I'll copy a request for 4 reusable CTA formulas. I'll paste this final prompt, and the AI provides me with clear templates like the outcome plus action formula and the curiosity plus reveal formula. Each one comes with an explanation of why it works and a practical example, giving me a complete toolkit for my future marketing needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.